Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Galooli, and today I'm very excited to present one of our new game-changing features, My Automations. Let's dive in. My Automations allows you to automate workflows by writing code strings that will be executed directly on our platform. These automations can be scheduled in advance or executed according to your specific needs. Using My Automations, the user can perform an array of preset actions on a scheduled or an immediate basis. For example, send an automated SMS or email, create a variable that will be used in future executions, send a command to a specified unit, or even set the state of that specified unit, among other capabilities. By using the Automation Solutions platform, you will be able to create new automations and manage your existing ones in one simple interface. Now let's create a new automation as an example. Here you can add the name of the automation, the relevant assets, the timing of the command, and if you immediately want to activate it or not. Additionally, you can prepare your own script and add it to the script editor manually. This tool contains several themes and a list of commonly used functions to assist in command creation. The script editor tool also allows users to create manual commands using the C# programming language. Moreover, you can even copy external code directly into the script editor as a simple copy-paste. Here is an example of a code prepared specifically for automation that determines if a unit has been disconnected for more than 5 hours. In the event that that unit meets the criteria, the system will send an automated notification to the relevant employees within that organization. It's literally plug and play. My Automations is an outstanding tool that will facilitate more accurate and efficient management of your organization. All of the information regarding My Automations can be found in the Galooli Knowledge Base portal. Thank you.